Enable governance over Power BI dashboard usage with Power BI Usage Insights. Power BI's ease of use can lead to a proliferation of use across business units in an organization, eventually leading to dashboard usage that is difficult to track, making governance challenging to achieve. Organizations can gain insights into dashboard usage and establish corporate governance policies with Power BI Usage Insights. Power BI Usage Insights provides organizations with a Power BI dashboard that tracks usage analytics from other dashboards in an organization's IT environment. This allows PBIUI users to gain insights into dashboard usage rates and also enables organizations to unlock other use cases like prioritizing support for vital and highly used dashboards, identifying dashboards that may have errors or need updates, optimizing IT spend by eliminating unused dashboards and the IT resources they're running on.